Recently, the Board of Control for Cricket in India announced the latest annual pay retainership fee for 28 players under 4 categories from A plus to C. And if the news sources are to be believed, Ravindra Jadeja's name was discussed for the A plus grade of contract for his good show in the ICC ranking and the value addition he brings in all the formats for the Indian cricket team. The grade which has only 3 stars right now, that is Virat, Rohit and Jasprit Bumrah. However, Jadeja was given the A grade contract rather than the A plus with an annual compensation of 5 crore Indian rupees. When talking about the annual contracts, a decade ago, that is in 2010, during the early days of his career, Ravindra Jadeja was banned from participating in the Indian Premier League for not adhering to the contractual obligations and the operational rules of IPL, as he tried to negotiate a new contract with Mumbai Indians while being part of the Rajasthan Royals team. From being banned to being considered with the highest package ever for a cricket player in the world by the same board, that is BCCI, Ravindra Jadeja has come a long way in the last decade of international cricket. During the early days of his international career, the left-handed all-rounder was ridiculed on social media. He was targeted as the cause for India's losses in certain matches. His slow pace of scoring, which led to a 3-run loss in the ICC T20 World Cup in 2009 against England, and the loss against Australia at Hyderabad where Sachin Tendulkar's 175 went in vain, are some examples of it. He was also given the tag of Sir in a joking manner in order to troll for his poor outings. However, post the good outings in the early 2010s, that is 11, 12 and 13, MS Dhoni in a series of tweets appreciated Ravindra Jadeja with a pinch of humor. Ravindra Jadeja has been an enigma right since his advent in international cricket. His performance in IPL 2008 helped Rajasthan Royals to title victory and earned him the nickname Rockstar by his captain Shane Warne. However, after a couple of seasons in the year 2010, he was banned for a year in IPL for negotiating terms with another IPL team for a higher pay, floating the IPL terms and conditions. It was also found that he was bargaining about his remuneration with his own franchise, something which was not tolerated by the officials of the Indian Premier League. Back in February 2010, Lalit Modi, the then IPL commissioner, confirmed that Jadeja had been penalized for allegedly trying to negotiate terms with another franchise. He further added that the IPL governing council will not tolerate any player playing games or blackmailing any teams of the IPL or the BCCI in any manner. However, the left-arm finger spinner from Saurashtra was given a chance to appeal to the governing council of the Indian Premier League, but it did not yield any results. Jadeja had pleaded his innocence, saying that he had sought prior approval from the BCCI before deciding to negotiate with other franchises. In his letter to the BCCI, reportedly written 2 weeks prior to his ban, Jadeja said that his contract with Rajasthan Royals had expired on December 31, 2009, and that they did not give him any intimation of renewing his contract. Ultimately, a few days later, in the last week of March 2010, a decision was taken during a hearing chaired by Arun Jaitley, which announced that Ravindra Jadeja committed a breach on 2 counts. Firstly, by not signing the contract with Rajasthan Royals for IPL 2010, and secondly, for breaching the operational rules of the Indian Premier League by approaching another franchise and sharing contract documents to them for inspection. Mr. Arun Jaitley also warned Mumbai Indians for having approached a player who was under an obligation to play for another franchise, and also added a more deterrent line of action would be considered for future offences of this nature. The all-rounder from Saurashtra did return to IPL with the Kochi Tuskers Kerala team in 2011, and the next year he was bought by Chennai Super Kings for a whopping $2 million, that is approximately 11 crore Indian rupees at that time. Since then, he has been a regular starter for any team he represents. Don't be surprised if Ravindra Rockstar Jadeja leads a franchise in IPL for a few seasons in this coming decade. Thank you for watching our video. Do check our other videos, share our content, comment on our content, and help us grow. Thank you once again.